In continuation of tuned amplifier, let's discuss another type of tuned amplifier, that is second to means double tuned amplifier. In earlier video we have discussed single tuned amplifier. So in double tuned amplifier, two identical tank circuits. These tank circuits, in previous case there was only one LC tank circuit, but in case of double tuned amplifier there are two LC tank circuits. That's why it is called double tuned amplifier. And the two identical tank circuits are provided, and both the tank circuits are tuned at the same resonant frequency. Okay, this is the frequency response of a double tuned amplifier. So due to delay between due to delay because of mutual inductance of these LC tank circuits, there is some delay in transferring the signal at the output here. So the signals from this to this transferring takes some time. So this response basically there are this it looks like there are two frequency response, this one and another this one, but it's not a case. Actually it is only one uh, response, because both tank circuits are tuned at a same resonant frequency means here, but because the output is transferring from this place to this place, it takes some time. So it's transfer like this. So if you can see, this is the actual output of the double tuned amplifier. It start from here, and because of delay it dip at resonant frequency and then again. So in earlier case the output was only some kind of this kind of graph because of only one tuned circuit, but because of double tuned the response is like this. So here you can see we can say the main advantage of double tuned amplifier is that the bandwidth can be increased without any decrease in the gain. In double tuned amplifier, gain bandwidth product is not constant, and double tuned amplifier is widely used as a RF in super heterodyne receiver, as I told in our previous lecture also. This is the mutual uh, coupling between these two LC circuits, and depending upon the coupling constant and L1 N2, this delay depends upon this mutual inductance. So the bandwidth will be more if the mutual conductance, the delay because of mutual conductance is high. Of course it's have lots of mathematical calculation, and why this dip happen and what is the magnitude at this dip, gain magnitude at this dip and the gain magnitude at this dip. So lots of analysis and mathematical equations are involved. So because of the time scarcity we are not going to those derivations. So for just understanding, uh, we are discussing the behavior of the response. So it is one of the disadvantages of double tuned amplifier that we are not getting the flat response at the center frequency. So this dip, because of the delay of transferring output from this place to this place, this dip occur, and because of this this response is not flat, and that is the disadvantage, you can say. To overcome this disadvantage, and that's why another kind of tuned amplifier, that is stagger tune, is implemented. So let's this is regarding double tuned amplifier. Double tuned amplifier consists of inductive two couple, as we have discussed. In the collector terminus, a change in the coupling of the two tuned circuit results in the change of the shape of the frequency response curve. So because of change in coupling constant, because of change of M mutual inductance, the shape of the response can be changed. This one, because it depends upon the transferring the output from this place to this place, so it depends upon mutual inductance, and this resonant frequencies also depends upon the value of L and C. By proper adjustment of the coupling between the two coils of the two tuned circuits, the required result whatever we want, high selectivity, high voltage gain and bandwidth. Okay, so depending upon the requirement, what amount of bandwidth we want to and the magnitude, accordingly we can set. So to overcome the disadvantage of dipping or to get flat response, another kind of tuned amplifier is used, that is called staggered tuned amplifier. In staggered tuned amplifier, two identical tank circuit with the tuned with these two tuned circuits are tuned at a slightly different resonant frequency. So in previous case, in double tuned amplifier, the resonant frequency of both tuned circuits were same, but in this case they are slightly different. So because of tuning at different resonant frequency, let's discuss this graph. You will understand the gain response properly by this diagram. Okay, so this is the frequency response of one of the tank circuit, and this is the frequency response of another tank circuit. We can say the individual response of the stages, and because of staggering, the overall response is looks like this. So of course again there is a lots of mathematical analysis involved, how this bandwidth is achieved, why it is widening, and why the bandwidth is this much compared to this much. Bandwidth of individual stage is delta 1 and the bandwidth of overall response is root 2 times of delta 1, means the overall response is more than the individual bandwidth. So because of that, those mathematical relations, this is coming. I'm not going to discuss that part. The time allows, we will discuss later. Otherwise PDF material will be provided. In staggered tuned amplifier, the response is flat at the center compared to the previous one, and that's why we can say the problem of double tuned amplifier is resolved by the staggered tuned amplifier. So staggered tuned amplifier are used to improve the overall frequency response of the tuned amplifier. Staggered tuned amplifier usually designed so that the overall response exhibit maximum flatness around the center frequency. It needs a number of tuned circuits operating in union. The overall frequency response of a staggered tuned amplifier is obtained by adding the individual response together. Since the resonant frequencies of different tuned circuits are displaced or staggered, that's why they are called as a staggered tuned amplifier. So because of there are some difference in two resonant frequency, uh, it is called staggered. Staggered means uh, displaced, differ. Okay. So thank you.